This is the Rode Wireless Me, a fantastic little wireless microphone system, but there are 10 reasons why you maybe shouldn't get it. Don't take me wrong here, because it is great. I mean, the gain assist feature, that is just amazing. It makes it possible to have the microphone this close, and I can have it this far away, and it still sounds pretty good. And you don't need to be that particular about the settings for the gain assist. If you would like to see my full beginner's tutorial, you can just check the link in the description box, because that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the Rode Wireless Me. But there are 10 reasons why you maybe shouldn't get this one. 10 things that I don't really like. The first one is you cannot turn off these LEDs that you have here. You can turn it to dim or bright, but you can't turn it off. So if you have it placed here, for example, it's going to be pretty visible in the shot, and well, sometimes you just would like to have it turned off. The second thing is that there's no vibrator inside it, so you don't get any haptic feedback when you turn it on or turn it off, so you really need to check the LEDs, and that's why you maybe can't even turn them off, because right now when it's really bright outside and I would like to see if it's turned on, I really need to hide it like this. The third thing is that you can't adjust the audio level with any other possibilities than plugging in your phone to the receiver. And well, that is doable, but it would have been so much easier if you had some buttons on these little things so you can adjust it from low, medium or high. The fourth thing, that is that you can't adjust the gain assist either, because you can either turn it off, you can have it on auto, and you can have it on dynamic. And sometimes you maybe would like to change that because the surrounding and environment change for some reason. And again, you need to plug in the phone to be able to adjust this. The fifth thing is that there is no case for it. And if you take a look at, for example, let me put that one here. If you take a look at, for example, the DJI Mic, you have this case, and well, that is good for two reasons. One, you have an extra super big battery that make it last forever. The second thing is that when you've used it and you put it back into the case, they turn off. With this one, it doesn't turn off. So that has happened to me too many times that I've been using it. I pack it down into this little pouch, and the next time I'm gonna use it, it's just dead because I forgot to turn it off. The sixth thing, that is that you can't put the receiver where the Mi mic is on both ways on the hot shoe on the camera, because they have put this little hinge on one side to do like this, and you can only put it on that way, you can't put it on that way. That means that you can't use the Wireless Me, the receiver, to twist it, flip it around to record the person that is in front of the camera. Then you need to use the transmitter. If you would have been able to turn it around, you could have used it both to record the person that is in front of the camera and or behind the camera. The seventh thing with the Rode Wireless Me is that it's super shiny. So if you have it like this, you cannot just avoid to look at it, because it's really, really reflecting. Okay. The eighth thing is that you only get one transmitter, and if you would like to have one more, because you can actually pair one more so you get two, then you need to buy one more. And I'm gonna drop links to everything in the description box below. The ninth thing is that you don't get any magnet. If you have, for example, the DJI Mic again, you get the magic. You don't get the magic, it is like magic, but you get a little clip back here. This is a magnet, which makes it possible for me to put that one here, and I'm gonna put the magnet on the back side, and it's stuck here like this. But with the Rode Wireless Me, I don't have any magnet. Then I need to buy that as an accessory also. Well, it's okay because you maybe don't need it, so you buy what you need, but it's missing. The 10th thing is that you don't have any internal recording on the Rode Wireless Me. So if something for some reason doesn't work, you have some connection issue between the transmitter and the receiver, or you just forget to plug in that cable between the receiver and the camera, that has happened to me before, well, then you don't have any audio. And with other systems where you have an internal recording, you can plug it into the computer and then just download it. But everything else with this wireless microphone system, I think it's fantastic. We really see something here, especially with the gain assist, that just makes things so great. The next thing though, that is to watch that video over there, because that is the video that YouTube recommend you to watch next. So why not watch it? See you in that one. Bye.